Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are going to be making daily leave-in spray using cloves, aloe vera, and rosemary leaves. We haven't used rosemary leaves on this channel for a long time, so I'm very excited to be using it again. I will make sure that the measurements are listed in the description this time around. You also need water as well. So I started by pouring in my cloves, rosemary leaves, and then adding 1 cup of water. This is how it looks, guys. And there's going to be a difference after a couple days. Then I let my aloe vera soak in water. You don't have to cut the slices this small, but I like to cut mine this way. Leave it in the water for a couple days. I left mine for about 2 days, but I would just advise you guys to leave it for a couple hours or maximum 1 day just for the toxins to let out. This is what it looks like. This is the water. You want to make sure that you rinse it from the water containing the toxins. Also make sure you run it again with clean water before you cut it out. Then use a blender. Honestly, there are different ways to get this aloe vera gel, but use a blender, blend it, and then now I am using my cheesecloth to strain it just to make sure that I get all the gel that I can. We're going to talk about some of the benefits of using aloe vera on our hair. Aloe vera, as we know, is a powerhouse when it comes to our hair because it contains soothing properties that can be beneficial for our hair. It soothes the scalp to avoid irritation, it reduces dandruff, it promotes hair growth, it strengthens the hair strands because it contains vitamin A, C, and E, which help improve cell turnover and strengthen your hair shaft. After straining it right now, I am going to show you guys some of the oils that I am going to be adding to this spray. But before that, let's look at the water containing the rosemary and the cloves. By the way, it does smell wonderful. This is what it looked like. Now I am also going to go ahead and strain the the rosemary and clove water. You could use any oil of your choice. You don't have to use these oils in particular. Whichever oils have been working for you, as I always say, go ahead and use it. Also, a disclaimer, make sure that before you use any of this or try making this spray, that you are not allergic to rosemary, cloves, or any of the things that I am currently using. After straining this water, I am now going to add it with the aloe vera. Guys, the color was so pretty. I just couldn't get over it. Let's just get back into this. So after straining it, I am now going to pour it into my spray bottle. This was a lot of spray, honestly, and I'm going to store it in the fridge. Guys, make sure you store it in the fridge and use as needed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you love this when you attempt it. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.